Welcome to Physics Hub. Today in this video I am going to give you 50 most important topics for your upcoming CSIR NET exam. Okay, so this is basically 50 topics to prepare in the last 50 days of your CSIR NET exam. So before starting, I would like to give my introduction. My name is Sahil Surifi and I am a research scholar at IIT Delhi. So without wasting much time, let's start today's video. So here it goes. So what I will be doing, I will be telling you the most important 50 topics for the upcoming CSIR NET exam, and I will show you one example for each topic. So this video is going to be very helpful for the upcoming CSIR NET exam aspirants. Okay, if you have any confusion, query or question, you can comment down in the comment section. I will try to give you satisfying answers. Okay, so let's start today's video. The first topic is eigenvalue, eigenvector and Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So this is from mathematical methods. So you can see an example of this. The eigenvalue of antisymmetric matrix is you are given 4 options. So this type of question can be set in your examination. So this is topic 1. Let's go to topic 2. I will move forward very fast so that I can cover 50 topics in less time. So number 2, differential equations of first and second order. Okay, so this topic is also very important, from differential equation of first order and second order. In every year, almost in every exam of CSIR NET, one question you get from this particular topic of 3.5 marks, and the questions are set very easy, so you can easily attempt these questions. Topic 3, special function. Give special attention to Hermite and Bessel polynomial. Okay. Bessel functions, because those two topics are relatively more important than the other two. Fourth topic is Fourier series and Fourier transforms. Okay, and I have shown you some example. You can see the example. Our topic number 5 is Laplace transformation, Laplace transform. Then topic 6, contour integration and contour integration using complex analysis. Number 7, binomial, Poisson and normal distribution. Okay, and you can see the example here. Then the most important, Green's function, and you will get a 5 marks question from this topic, Green's function. Green's function is very important. Topic number 9, Laplace, wave and heat equations in 2D, 3D. Okay, so although only few questions have been set in the previous years from this particular topic, but there is a high chance that you will get a question in your upcoming CSIR NET exam from this topic. So topic number 9 is very important. Then topic 10, numerical methods, trapezoidal, Simpson, Runge-Kutta method and finite difference method. So topic 10 is equally important. You may get one question from this. So sometimes they give you one question, or sometimes they don't give you any question from the numerical method. So for the safe side, I would recommend you to learn about these topics like trapezoidal, Simpson, Runge-Kutta and finite difference method. So one thing I would like to tell you, this 50 topics is a whole topic. Okay, so this is applicable for the toppers also, and this is applicable for the average students also. So as much as you finish of these topics, you will score more. So you can expect around 160 to 180 marks from these 50 topics. Okay, at least 160 marks you can expect, because I have tried to cover everything from the whole NET syllabus. Okay, so this is going to be really helpful if you can follow this. So take one topic a day, and in 50 days you can cover 50 topics very easily. Then topic 11, phase space dynamics. So one phase space one question from the phase space dynamics you can expect of 5 marks. Okay. Topic 12, stability analysis, central force motion, determination of angular frequency of a particle in a given potential. Okay. Topic number 13, rigid body dynamics, moment of inertia tensor. Okay. So this topic is not so much big. If you invest 2 to 3 hours, then it will be prepared. Rigid body dynamics. Number 14, Lagrangian and Hamiltonian formalism. Okay, Lagrangian and Hamiltonian formalism. Topic 15, canonical transformation. Canonical transformation is a very important topic for your upcoming CSIR NET exam. So you get you have seen frequent questions from this canonical transformation, so you should do this topic. Number 16, special theory of relativity. Now before starting the next topics, before mentioning the next topics, I would like to tell you that I have joined Unacademy, and I have been teaching Unacademy from the last few months, and recently I have launched a plus course on Unacademy. The title is Practice Course on Physical Sciences. Okay, so in this course I will be teaching you atomic and molecular physics, solid state physics and electronics. Okay, so in 16 days I will try to cover as much as possible. Okay, So here I have listed the 50 topics. So in the last few months I have already covered many topics from this most important topics for the CSIR NET exam. So you can, if you take 1 month subscription, then you will be able to view all those videos, of all those offline recording videos. You will be able to download the videos, and you will also get a mock test, okay, and many things you will get if you take subscription. So look, if you are running out of time, you can take Unacademy subscription, and you can follow my profile there. I have discussed almost every topic from these 50 topics in Unacademy. So you can either join Unacademy, or you can prepare by yourself also. My many contents are already uploaded on our YouTube channel, so those are very free. And you can also join our WhatsApp group. This is our WhatsApp number. You just send me a message on this number 9609090334. I will provide you all the necessary links of WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, etc. Okay, now let me tell you about some features of my course which I have just launched. So precise concept of the concept topic will be given, the relevant mathematical formula analysis will be done, then PDF of the class notes and short notes will be provided, and fourthly, previous year questions PYQs will be solved in every classes, live classes. So the live class is of 1 hour 30 minutes, so you can join it. Non-previous year questions will also be solved, weekly test, mega test at the end of the course, and overall discussion on the strategy and plans for a better rank. Okay. And one more thing, that I take special classes on Unacademy on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday from 9:30 PM to 10:30 PM. This is completely free. You just need to install the Unacademy learning app, and you can join those classes freely. And those classes will be really helpful for your CSIR NET exam preparation. One thing I would like to mention here, that these special classes are completely free. You don't have to take any subscription, or you don't have to pay any fees for this. You just have to install the Unacademy app and you can join the class. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's move forward. So topic number 17, Gauss law and its applications. Topic number 18, Biot-Savart law and Ampere's theorem. Topic number 19, electrostatic and magnetostatic boundary conditions. Topic number 20, image problems. Image problems is a very important topic, and this topic is also very simple. Okay, you can easily solve the questions from image problems, so don't miss this topic. Topic 21, Lorentz gauge, Coulomb gauge and Gauss transformation. Topic 22, electromagnetic waves and Poynting vector. So if you want to get all these topics in a single platform, then you can join Unacademy and you can follow my courses. I have prepared a very good note on all of this topic almost. Okay, few things are left which I'll be covering in the next course, which we have just launched. Okay, so you can join, and I want to assure you that it will be really helpful. Okay, you will not regret. Topic 23, polarization, interference and diffraction. Topic 24, transmission lines and waveguides. Okay, topic 25, radiation from moving charges. Topic 26 starts with quantum mechanics. So we have already covered mathematical method, then classical mechanics, then electromagnetic theory. Now we are going to quantum, particle in a box, in infinite and as well as in finite potential. So many questions have already been set from infinite potential, so you can expect a question from finite potential this time. But infinite potential is equally important, but according to me, questions from finite potential is more probable, because only 1 or 2 times question has come from this. Topic 27, harmonic oscillator. So almost in every exam you get a question from harmonic oscillator, so this is very important. Then next topic is angular momentum, raising, lowering operator, and many things are there. I have already covered angular momentum in our class course, so if you join you will get all the things. Then topic 29, time independent, time dependent perturbation theory, Fermi's Golden rules. Okay, so you can also see the examples, what kind of questions is set in your CSIR NET exam. I have already shown you there. Okay, next topic is variational method. So this topic is very easy topic. You just need to have a trial wave function, and you have to find out the energy, then you take derivative with respect to the unknown parameter, you find out the minimum ground state energy, and that's all. WKB approximation. Topic 32, Born approximation. Topic 33, Klein-Gordon and Dirac equations. Okay, this is basically relativistic quantum mechanics. So this topic also has a special importance, and you may get 5 marks question from this topic. Topic 34, first law and second law of thermodynamics. So we have started thermodynamics. Then topic 35, thermodynamic potential and Maxwell's relations. Topic 36, microcanonical, canonical and grand canonical ensemble and partition functions. Okay. Topic 37, Maxwell-Boltzmann, Fermi-Dirac and Bose-Einstein statistics, Bose-Einstein condensation. Topic 38, black body radiation and Planck's distribution law. So all of these topics have been explicitly explained on my unacademy class. Okay, so you can take our unacademy subscription and you can utilize our referral code Physics Hub, PHYSICSHUB, and unacademy will provide you 10% discount overall. Okay, so our approach was, we have given you precisely theory and we have done lots of numericals based on those topics. Okay. Topic 39, first order and second order phase transitions. Topic 40, Ising model. So Ising model basically very easy topic and you get 5 marks question from Ising model. Topic 41, random arc. Topic 42, semiconductor physics. Topic 43, BJT, FET and op-amp. So you can expect 1 or 2 questions from this BJT, FET and op-amp part. Okay. Next, what is there? Resistors, counters, comparators, A by D, D by A converters and error analysis. Topic 45, we have reached to atomic and molecular physics, Zeeman, Passenbach and Stark effect. Topic 46, electronic, rotational, vibrational and Raman spectra of diatomic molecules, selection rules, NMR and ESR. So you can expect 1 question from these topics for topic 46. Topic 47, lasers. So sometimes, in fact many times, questions have come from this particular topic, lasers. Then next topic is Bravais lattice and reciprocal lattice, diffraction and the structure factor. Especially the structure factor part is more important. Topic 49, electron motion in a periodic potential, band theory of solids, superconductivity, defects and dislocations. So we are going to discuss this topic in the new course. So take 1 month subscription, use our referral code Physics Hub and you will get everything, all the PDFs, all the online lectures, and you can watch many old videos also. Okay, and this is not only my lectures, you will be able to watch videos of other educators also. Okay, so this is going to be really helpful. Topic 50 and from topic 50 you may get 2 to 3 questions. Okay, must. So ground state spin parity, semi-empirical mass formula, Deuteron problem, elementary ideas of alpha, beta and gamma decays and their selection rules, nuclear fission and nuclear fusion, particle physics. Okay, so these many topics are there for your upcoming CSIR NET exam. So if you can cover all of these 50 topics efficiently with solving problems and doing many things, doing some practice and revision, you will definitely crack JRF. Okay, because I have tried to cover almost the whole syllabus of CSIR NET. So 50 topic is the extremum thing. Okay, if you cover 30 topics, then you will get less marks. If you cover 40 topics, you will get relatively more marks, and if you can cover 50 topics, definitely you will be able to solve, you will be able to get questions of 160 to 170 marks. Okay, so this is going to be really helpful to you. Follow these topics. So you can divide your days according to the topics. 50 days you can keep for 50 topics and you can cover 1 topic per day. Okay, and if you have any question or query regarding this 50 topics, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want any suggestion, you can write in the comment section. I will try to give you. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group, you can send me a message on the number shown here, 9609090334. And if you want to take unacademy subscription, you can take unacademy subscription. You can utilize our referral code Physics Hub and you will be given 10% discount on overall fees. Okay, so this is all for today, guys. Thank you very much and bye bye. See you in the next video.